Hello guys, it's your boy Mark from Random Talk and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I will show you the easiest, fastest and most reliable way you can get your TikTok app, and also on how to create your own TikTok account. And this method is very good because it goes on all kind of devices. That's both Android, iOS, Java and whatever devices you are using. So without wasting more of our time, let's go into it. But please don't forget to subscribe so you will get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, so guys, you just have to head onto your device, be in the App Store or Play Store depending on the kind of devices you are using. So once you click at the App Store, you go onto the search bar and type in TikTok. Okay, so yes, you scroll down a little. This is it. This is how our TikTok app looks like. So you just have to click download on it. But if you already have it on your device, you just have to click on to open. So once your TikTok account has been downloaded as seen on my device, so you just have to click on it once. Okay, so on this menu is where you have to choose in a method in which you have to sign on to TikTok. Okay, you can sign in either through using an email or Facebook, Apple, Google or Twitter. Also, if you already have an account with TikTok, you scroll downward. This is it at the bottom part of your device. You can click onto it. So okay, since we are new user, just have to click onto email. Let's use our email. So here you have to input your age. So click onto next. Okay, on this part you have to input your phone number, which TikTok will send a verification code to that phone number. Okay, so guys, after you must have verified your phone number, nextly you need to create a password. So here you need to, your password should be between 8 to 20 characters. Okay, so when done with your password, click on next. So nextly is for us to put in our name. Here you can give in your account whatever name you want. That is if only TikToks allow the name, but also you have other suggested name. That is, so just have to choose in one. That is our name. So after that you click on next. Okay, so yeah, this is our TikTok account. So if you wish to, that's to import contact from your phone, you can click on to okay. But if you don't wish to say don't allow, so this is how your TikTok account looks like. Once you've done, this is it. It looks 100% good. So yeah, you will see following, that's those that you're following them, and you see followers, those that are attracted and following your account. So yeah, this is where if you wish to add a profile picture to your account, this is it. Here you can click onto it. Yeah, so that's it. You can add in a profile if you wish to add anything to your profile photo, and also if you wish to build up your profile very well. So there is it. Here's your name, here's your username, here's your bio. Here you can input everything about your biography depending on whatever aim of your account, and here you can add in your Instagram name, and here you can add in your YouTube for those that have YouTube channel. Okay, so if you wish to create your video, here is where you can create your TikTok video, and if you wish to add photo, here you can add a photo to your account. If you wish to see your inbox, if you got messages or some important information about TikTok, you click onto inbox. Yeah, okay, yeah, here you can see every inbox you wish to know on TikTok. And also if you wish to see your profile, click on the right hand corner of your device. Okay, so that is it. And if you wish to add in an account, so you click at this section here. That is it. So here you can send in your, you can invite friends onto TikTok. Here you can share links and other stuff, and to share contacts. So guys, this is it. So this is your TikTok account. This is how it looks like. So I wish you the best as you try to do this on your own. Please, if you find any difficulty, don't forget to drop it at the comment section. While I see you soon.